Okay. So this is going to be a Photopia Paint assignment. I'm calling it Photopia Paint You because meaning on you. Um, rhymes all with P Paint too. Today we're gonna play around more with mostly with the brushes, and the opacity things, and also I'm gonna start doing using some of the selection tools and some of the features you can do with masking. That's what looks like the Japanese flag down here. It's about creating a mask to get I'm using mask to custom made mask for making this white. Okay. And then the rest of this we're doing wishes. Uh, so get started then to go to Google Drive and to go new more Photopia. Okay. And you want to call it Pia Paint. You rhymes with two. Create. I need a photo. Okay. I need a photo. So if I go to file, there's actually take picture. You can take a picture within Photopia, which is awesome. Because I don't think you could do that in Photoshop. This will open your camera. Oh, just so I'm kind of I found samples. Okay, so I'm playing around with some of these. Is you whatever you color, you don't have to with your skin if you don't want to. You okay? So, oops, why there? So this is around. Okay. All right. So I think I just took. I'm gonna hit the X. If you didn't catch that, you can go back in the same video and see I did get that. There's gonna be a lot of that going on right now. Okay. So actually, this is a new item in Photopia right here. It's camera.psd. Here's our original workspace here. But if I click over here, I just added an image to this project. That's what the tab for. What I want to do is actually drag my picture into my project. So I'm going to use the selection tool. I'm going to click my nose. I'm not going to let go of my mouse. I'm going to let it switch to my Pia Paint U and let go. All right. Very common thing also in Photoshop to do this, especially if you're working off multiple pictures. You got to drag the things that you want out of each image. Okay. So I'm going to go to this background layer. I don't need it anymore, so I'm going to delete it. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go down here and hit the trash can. I'm going to lock this layer because I find out that there's something else I want to do with it. I want to mess with this. I actually want to, instead, I'm going to right click and I want to duplicate the layer. Okay, duplicate the layer. So my background. That way, if I need to go back to the original layer, I can just delete everything else out if I want to start over. Also, this camera, PSD, I don't need it anymore. I'm going to hit this because I got the photo over here now. All right, now I'm ready to begin. And again, this stuff that you missed because I'm going. The whole point of a video, you could stop, rewind. Okay, where are we at time? 4 minutes in. Gotta go over here. So I'm going to show you the zoom tool. Zoom tool here, or Z for zoom, and you've got plus option which zooms you in. Click here, the control panel for the zoom. Make the minus option or the zoom out option, and you also have to fit the area back in. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit to my face over here, and I'm gonna fourth tool down. I'm gonna find the quick select tool, one of my favorite selection tools, and it's gonna come in I'm going to select my face. See how fast that happened. Okay. And I'm going to click the minus option and come the outside and knock that selection in. And I don't want it on my hair. Don't want my hair white. I just want my face to be white. So look, quickly. Let me actually zoom out so you can see how quickly to with we'll get to my face. Okay. Again, go back to the rewind if you missed any of this. Okay. You gotta do things that right now. You gotta do this exactly as I show it. Now, create a mask. Since I have a selection, I create a mask, and it'd be whatever's inside the selection right now because I didn't say otherwise. Go to the Japanese flag down here. This guy here, add raster mask. I'm gonna click. So now I have this mask. Now it's appear, but it's really there. And if you see this, whatever's black here, I can't. It's not gonna. It's gonna be blocked. But whatever's white, the mask. So why did I do that? Well, because I want to paint my face white. So I'm gonna click over here. I'm gonna click back on this image on the left side there. So I paint the right thing. I'm gonna make sure my color is white. I'm gonna go to the brush tool now, and I use the bracket keys. Look just to next to the letter P as in Pedro. P, just to the right of it. There's a key to make the brush smaller, and then the right to the right of that is a bracket that makes it. Or you could just go here, and you could change the size too. Right. I personally the bracket key. All right. We know why. Now, if it's opacity, I feel like I have to cover my face. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to Command Z. What I want to do is paint my white without covering it up. I need to see some of my face come through. So I'm going to lower the transparency of the brush stroke, of the color. So I'm going to go down about, maybe 40%. Okay? Now, I'm just going to paint back and forth, and it's only going to paint what was inside the mask. Okay? So even painting over here, since it's black in the spot, it's not actually doing anything. But where white, it's white. Okay? Now, let's see. What do I want to do next? I feel there was something else I wanted to. Oh, zoom in. So zoom in now. I want to clear, erase my eye so that I can see my eyes on this. So I'm going to go to the erase tool, eraser, and I'm going to make that zoomed in. Zoom in more for zoom, so I can get a clean look at my eye. Oops. Okay. And now back to E for eraser. Make the eraser a little smaller with the key right next to the letter P. And now I can just come in carefully. Use the white over my eye because Gordon put makeup on our eye. That would give us. That make our eye. Do that. All right. So get that. So you can imagine where would you actually make, and that's what we're doing. We're using a brush, digitally in this brush, and we're lowering opacity so it makes it look like it. Now opacity, if we erase is 100 because we erase it, right? Okay. Now I'm going to jump back to the brush tool, and I want to shrink that down a little bit or make that smaller. That E right next to the letter P. Okay, and now I'm going to change the color back to black, and maybe now kick up my opacity a bit because the black is gonna really cover up my skin, right? So maybe go to maybe about 60. Let's see what that looks like. Let me make it smaller. Oh, I'm gonna click. kind of come in. Now, as long as I let go of my mouse, it's not going to mess with it. If I let go of the mouse and click again, make it darker when I go. Okay, so it's putting layer on. Every time I click the mouse, it's going to create a layer of black at 60%. So it's going to start getting darker and darker. So I help control. It's like applying helps me control. How much am I going to put? Right. And if you let it, you get a new line. Okay. No, my nose needs to be black. Okay. Once my nose comes, I want it to like it's in the nose. Something like that a little bit. Okay. Maybe darken it a little bit here too. Oh, now I'm up my nostrils for sure. Losing the detail on that one. Oh, well, I'm just gonna Command C to undo that and leave it like that. Maybe just make it a little darker in there. Okay. And the lips. Same idea with lips. Okay. As I just single click. Oop, that's no good. Command Z, undo. Give it that look. I'm wearing black lipstick. All right, let me zoom out. So I go up here to View, Fit to Area. All right, so now I'm gonna kick my opacity up to 100%. And now, and again, you just decide how you want this. I'm gonna again. And I want to look at my phone way out with time. Oh my god, I gotta stop. Okay. I'm using this guide so I continue until I got something like that. All right, now with the 100 and brushing little dots, painting dot things, I can get this from here. So fit the area from here to there. Okay, go from here to there to finish this up, and you can use colors or whatever you want. All right, so done. You want to file, export as JPEG. Click save. So now you're gonna have paintu.jpg. You're gonna go fix, edit your site, go to graphics page, right? Go to graphics and upload image, upload. Upload media, upload from computer, and get PiaPaint. PiaPaint.jpg. PiaPaintu.jpg. Put a couple in here. We're almost out of time. We're gonna get. All right, and then double click on it and load in here, and just down. It doesn't look bad now, does it? Play around a little bit. Down. Trust me, I'm no more experienced than you with this program. Alright. So, except I know Photoshop. That's about the only difference. And recall this. Alright, in public. Oh my god, please publish. We're going to PiaPaintu. Alright. Done. Good luck, you guys.